So this is an original Rudge camshaft. So what's the function of this small cam between the two main lobes? This is to operate the half compression device. Most modern cams don't have this center pip between the two cams, and therefore the half compression device will not work. With the cam installed and the half compression lever in its downward position, you can see that the half compression pip rotates between the two followers and should not contact either follower. And this is its normal running position. By moving the half compression lever to its outward position, this allows the exhaust cam follower to move across under influence of the spring on the cam spindle. This means that when the cam now rotates, the exhaust follower contacts the pip and lifts the exhaust valves slightly just before compression, thus releasing compression on the compression stroke to approximately half, which is why it's called a half compression device. Once the engine runs, the lever can be moved from its outward position back to its downward position, moving the cam follower back into its normal running position and allowing the half compression pip to miss the follower. And this is how the half compression device works. Clearly, this only works if the camshaft has this pip. This half compression device was used to start Rudges. The valve lifter was never used to start Rudges. The valve lifter is only used to stop Rudges. This half compression device means the engine can be kicked over very easily and then stopped later on using the valve lifter. Today, without this half compression device in use, engines have to be started using the valve lifter. The decompressor or half compression device was fitted to 1931 to 39 350 and 500 machines, including the 33 Ulster. It was never fitted to 250 machines or any TT replicas or works machines.